I just thought we'd give you a quick midweek workshop update. You can see the workshop's exceptionally full with all sorts of exciting machinery at the moment. We've got this E9 3-litre CSI in from Italy, which has the normal corrosion in the sills, which we're hard at work on here. So this is going to have outer sill replacement, but while we've got the outer sills off, we'll be carrying out repair work to the inner sill membranes there, which is the sort of main reinforcing part of an E9, being a two-door, so that's the strength inside the sills, which causes so much problems. The 355 Spider there has been in for some paint work and dealing with very small areas of surface corrosion to the space frame, very light, and just tidying the space frame up, and then some protection with Tectil ML, making sure no corrosion starts there. The E24 M635, that's actually a motorsport, has actually just been finished for all the structural repairs, and we've carried out sill repairs to that, inner wing repairs, front panel repairs. It'll be having 2 new front wings, and that's now off for bare metal repaint. E30 M3 here, this one I sold over 20 years ago. Some repair work to the Achilles heel scuttle panel rust, so that's just had the screen replaced after the repairs to the scuttle panel. Gorgeous and very rare E46 Alpina, B3S Touring, which is the sort of last of the B3Ss, the 3.4. It's actually got having a new torque converter. Torque converter's failed, and some preventive work to the underside. So we can see that over there we've got all the rear subframe out, fuel tank out to gain access to the underside. So we can carry out preventive work just to make sure none of the corrosion problems start that sort of affect so many E46s now. The another E46 M3 in there, and many of you will have heard of the cracked boot floor problems that we see with E46 M3s, and that one wasn't actually cracked, but due to carrying out some preventive corrosion work to the rear end now, it was decided we'll do the E46 reinforcing, rear subframe pin reinforcing now before it cracks. So that's a midweek update for you. What's going on at Classic Heroes this week.